What's good, YouTube? It's lorShift here, back at it again with another banger video, of course. And as you guys can tell by the title, it is currently 3 o'clock in the morning. Your boy hopped out of bed for this video for y'all. So if y'all watching this right now, do me a favor and smash that like button, because we going up, man. We almost had 20K subscribers. I mean, we're doing a 7-day straight challenge. We're at day number 5. We're doing a 3 a.m. video, POV drive through the city. So once again, y'all gotta smash that like button. And I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna show y'all a quick little clip of the 5.7, and then we're gonna get to driving because your boy's tired. I'm ready to go to bed. That's what she looking like right now. Taney Mobile. This gotta be the hardest 5.7 in the state, bro. Even with the bumper not being wrapped, like, it's still hard. Y'all gotta see that ass real quick. Y'all gotta see that ass real quick. Ew. But yeah, y'all. All right, we gonna get to going on with this drive, man, before I get ran down on at this random ass gas station. But let's get started. Boom. All right, y'all, we getting ready to get going, man. As you guys can see, 3:56, so it's technically 4 a.m. but we gonna count it as 3. Well, hopefully it ain't too dark. I also wanted to do this through the city as well because there's a lot of lighting in the city, so you'll be able to see at least like how I'm driving and stuff. I should be like the only car on the road though, so all you're gonna hear is my engine screaming, my car going crazy. Give y'all a pull real quick. You gotta stay safe out here, man. Drive safe at all times. I never had my seatbelt on, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but it's whatever. Headlights are on. Hopefully y'all can see this. Straight road in front of me. Bro, she sound real good right now. It's starting to come down, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna name this video. 3 a.m. POV drive in the rain, POV drive through the city. I don't know. I know I'm gonna have a couple of y'all saying, oh, he driving crazy as hell in the rain. At least I got my seatbelt on, bro. I know y'all wondering where my LED lights went. They started tweaking on me, so I unplugged them. I might actually plug them back in real quick, because y'all can low-key see a little better and see my dash and stuff. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, that looks a lot better. They might start flashing, because they was tweaking a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. Your boy is low range again. Once again, your boy never got gas in his car, but it's cool. Yeah, y'all see my joints flashing, bro. I don't know what's wrong with them. Hopefully I don't spin out on this road. She is screaming right now, bro. On our way to the city. We're not necessarily in the city yet, but probably like 2 minutes away. Let me know what y'all think about these POV drives though. Let me know what kind of POV drives y'all want to see. I'll switch it up a little bit. If you're watching this, please go watch my other videos, man. 7 days straight. I dropped yesterday, I dropped the day before, I dropped the day before that, and the day before that. Everybody up. It's a lot more cars than usual at 4 a.m., but it's whatever. It's whatever. Now that's a little stop sign right here. We don't run those. Almost in the city, y'all. Well, we're in the city, but not in the city, like the main part. Bro, they always doing construction around here, bro. Literally don't get nowhere. The road feels the same. Look, there's a huge pothole right here too. Yo, my charger sounds like it's straight from Philly, bro. Y'all hear it? Hopefully these flashing LEDs ain't bothering y'all. It shouldn't, because it's not bothering me like that. But as you can see, we got the city right over there. And yeah, we almost there, y'all. Watching to the end. Oh my God. Ooh, your boy almost ran that red light, bro. That line faded as hell, bro. I couldn't even see that. We are now in the city. Slipping and sliding. Oh my God, she sounded crazy. She sounded crazy. Nobody in the city, man. Yo, I should do a little reel, bro. That'll be tough. I haven't seen a single cop yet. We should probably make a right. Yeah, let's make a right. Let's make a right, y'all. She sounding real good, bro. Let's bust another right. Let's bust another right. Let's bust another right. driving, yo. Oh, we got like a little hotel right here. They got like a little wedding going on or something. Is bro gonna go? Like, he got the green light. Go ahead, my G. Let's see. I guess we can continue. We just went in a whole circle, bro. Matter of fact, let's go straight. What is this road, my nigga? I make a left. Yeah, I'm gonna make a left right here. Now that echo is crazy. My God, why is she running like this, bro? This is an RT. It's a 5.7, dog. It's a Dodge Charger RT, bro. Yo, old head over there getting groovy. Like, y'all see him right there. We're over there dancing. 3 o'clock in the morning, dog. 4 o'clock in the morning, bro. Old head over there dancing. Let's make it right here, y'all. Hit it a little bit. She sounds crazy, bro. Probably gonna do one more pull to end the video. Cause I'm not gonna lie, y'all can't even blame me, bro. It's 4 o'clock in the morning and your boy is tired. I'm ready to go to bed. It is about that time, y'all. So I'm gonna do one more pull. I don't know if I should go. I should probably go left and do it in case I bang out and swerve in first gear because there's too many cars right here. So I'm gonna make a left. Yo, who is drawling like that, bro? All right, yeah, y'all, we gonna do one more pull, man. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Your boy is tired as hell.